RKB Accounting specializes in cross-border taxation. Your one-stop solution for filing taxes in the United States and Canada. RKB handles income tax, sales tax, payroll, and bookkeeping, and also helps in incorporating your business on both sides of the border. Please visit us at rkbaccounting.ca to learn more about our services.
In that case, when you click on the bank feed, the QuickBooks will try to connect with your online banking server. In that case, you have to provide the user ID and password. And I don't do that because I would not like to share the online banking user ID and password of my client. And in QuickBooks Desktop, no way my client can connect the bank account sitting at another location. Either he has to come to my office and then close the door, and then I go away and he feed the banking information. So it's very difficult. So for that purposes, when we want to connect the online banking to the QuickBooks, we use QuickBooks Online. And when we use QuickBooks Online, I create a user ID for my clients to log into QuickBooks. So once I set up the user ID, my client in his office can log into QuickBooks Online and then connect his bank account and provide the online banking password and user ID. Now, in this case, how do we create a bank account? So you go to Home. The bank account is simply another general ledger for QuickBooks Desktop. Create chart of account, or even in QuickBooks Online, you can create a bank general ledger without connecting to the banking server. You can create a bank account under the general ledger without connecting to the online banking server. But later, if you want to connect it, you will have an option to connect it. So go to Account, New Account, and then here you select Bank. This general ledger belongs to a bank. Continue. Chase Bank. Checking. Canadian dollar. If I had the multi-currency, then I would have select. Yeah, I have the multi-currency set up, so I can select even US dollar. So this bank account is in US dollar, and it's good because the Chase Bank is in USA. Save and close. And you can see here your Chase Bank checking 1245 is created. If you want to write a check, you can go to write a check. You can select your bank, which bank you want to write a check. So I want to write a check from you, this bank. So this is in US dollar. If I want to write a check in Canadian dollar, I select the Canadian dollar, and it's come to Canadian dollar. Okay, any